Okay, so I know nothing about this smartphone that's in front of me. Willie Doo set this up. He ordered it up. Apparently inside this box is an e-ink smartphone, which is like, how does that exist? Why does it exist? So many questions. E-ink, of course, the screen that's in like the Kindle ebook reader, it reflects light rather than projecting light, so it could be good for eye fatigue. Battery life could have some crazy battery life. The box, very nondescript, just this little logo right here. It's a prototype. Whoa. Whoa. Power off. So it's really giving me Kindle vibes here. That is so weird. Look at that, Jack. Very contrasty though. I could get into this. The outside of it feels like a smartphone from like 2012. Something like that, like an early Galaxy device. But it is sort of modern because there's a Type-C USB connector on it, a traditional headphone jack, SIM card tray. So is it on right now? Oh, I see the problem though. It's the speed, Jack. To go from screen to screen is a whole, just like on an e-reader. Is this Android, Will? Maybe we should just bring Will in. Will, you're coming into the show. Mr. E-Ink Smartphone, the founder of the company.
Well, the company is actually called Kingrow.
The Kingrow K1, a smartphone for optimized eye health. So they're playing up the angle. You're worried about your eyes. Mm-hmm. You're damaging your eyes. All the light is coming in.
Yeah,
the blue light. This, of course, you can stare at it forever. Go ahead.
Yeah, exactly. I'm not even tired.
All right, so give us the breakdown, Will, since you're the founder of the company.
So it is running Android 8.1.
Nice.
It's got a 3100 milliamp battery.
That must last forever on this screen.
Yeah, so this claims to last for 2 weeks in one charge.
Whoa!
Yeah.
2 weeks? Can this play video?
It could play video. Yeah.
Where are the apps? How do I...
Like all e-ink displays, it's,
Are you making excuses, Will?
Yeah.
Hang on a second. Let me ask you something. Is it so slow because of the screen only, or is it the processor as well? What's it say here?
That's true.
MTK6763. See, I don't know if the processor is slow or if the display is slow here.
But displays on e-ink is typically
it's a
slow
whole, yeah,
because
correct.
It has to refresh the
whole thing. Even on scrolling, I guess it's a whole refresh situation.
Yeah.
So, let's go Raptors.
Oh. Which is your favorite logo?
Classic.
Classic.
That's so easy for me to answer.
Okay.
How about you?
I like this one. Remember this?
Talking about this guy?
Because it looks so funny.
This guy.
He has a raptor thigh. Look.
Yeah. Let's bring up a Lou Later video. Why don't we?
The Mate X never showed up here.
You see what's happening to the video here?
Never came in studio. Who knows
What
if
do
it
you
ever
mean?
will?
It looks fine.
If Apple's gonna do it, it's gotta be polished. You know what I mean? I just don't see.
Will, are you insane?
What do you mean?
Are you out of your mind here?
It's a e-ink display. That's battery life.
Okay, hang on.
Yeah. Dual SIM as well, I have to say.
Somebody who reads a lot on their phone?
Probably.
Somebody who... How much is this?
300 US. Hey, it's a phone. Smartphone. Okay.
Well, we can't do this to these people. These people matter too much to us. We can't do this
What
to
do
them.
you mean?
We can't do it to them. We can't pretend any longer. You can't pay $300 for this. Will.
There's some people who would like to have an e-ink display. The blue light, that's a big thing.
I get it. I don't like the blue light either, but if I'm gonna, I can't be the same price as an actual smartphone.
Yeah, maybe the price is a little high for
It's
this
double.
type of phone.
It's double what I think it would have to be. Like, I could see keeping this beside your bed, for example. Maybe you are really worried about your eye health.
Like a dummy phone or something.
So you would pick this up prior to bed and you'd be like, look, it's tea time. I'm relaxing. Chamomile.
Chamomile?
Chamomile?
Isn't that what it's called? Chamomile?
And this is your nighttime phone.
Mm-hmm.
the move only makes sense if you're mostly reading at night.
They're gonna really need to know. They're
It's
much
like
more
15, 10
careful these
FPS.
days. Like you look at
Yeah.
the products they're putting out. They're
I'm glad it exists.
Yeah.
I don't know if that makes you happy. I'm glad it exists.
Yeah, it's a cool little product here.
400 hours standby time allows you to read longer. Anti-glare glass enables you to see the screen more clearly. The screen, like looking at it, dude, if I had to do a lot of reading on my phone, like a lot.
Yeah, I was hoping this could be waterproof. I'm not really sure if it is. Maybe take it out for camping, going out there in the sun, hiking. Like, I mean, this would be great for, reading out in the open with the sun.
The only thing this is good for is reading, and we have readers that are cheap and
Yes.
light and readily
Yes.
available. All right, maybe the camera will be able to save it. What year is it, Will?
His face is warping because it's so slow.
It's so weird that I think this product is basically ridiculous, but I like the fact that it exists. That's where I'm in the weird zone. Like, you don't ever want to discourage some new take, and it's obviously a new take, this idea. And sometimes you wonder if you are really capable of perceiving all the potential customers and their issues and why this might be useful to them.
Right.
Do you know what I mean? We sit here, we try. We go, okay, what if you have this condition in your eyes, and like maybe for someone this is exactly what they needed. Their eyes only see in contrast, or they're so sensitive to light that they're like, thank God, a smartphone I can actually use at all. $299 is the entry price, and they sold 66 out of 400, and then the eventual price is $350. I can't recommend people. I'm easing up, but I can't recommend people spend that kind of money on this kind of product unless you have a very specific reason, ailment. Even if you could make the case, you would get so sick of making the case to everyone. I never thought I'd be interacting with Android, YouTube on an e-ink display. It's a fun thing. It's got a crazy battery life. It is not a replacement for a modern smartphone, in my opinion.
Okay, I can agree with
But it's fun.
Yes.
It's a bit of fun. Let's lighten up. We're lightening up, so you guys can lighten up too. Everyone's gonna lighten up. It's a bit of fun. Let's just lighten up.